Hello and welcome to Defense Web TV, the defense channel of Army Recognition Group. Today we are present in Cairo, Egypt for EDEX 2025, one of the largest defense exhibitions in MENA region. During this week, we will bring you a total access to the newest military technologies on display and analyze the key developments in the region. Stay with us for more information during this week at EDEX 2025.